great drop in the level of triglycerides, as well as cholesterol. If you talk about the composition, it is a drop. You can have with a small sip of water, and or you can directly have on your tongue. If you talk about the composition, it is allium sativa. Allium sativa is a general product. You use it in your kitchen most of the time. Ginger, not in the garlic. Garlic is a product. Yes. And look at this, Lycopus and Crataegus. These two medicines are very good for heart. Because alcohol based. In homeopathic manufacturing, alcohol is necessary. Alcohol is a preservative. Yes, alcohol is a preservative as well as it is a disinfectant. Alcohol is a vehicle because it having no medicinal property. It is chemically neutral and therapeutically inert, and because of that, it can carry the good effect of medicine without changing. That's why alcohol is the main vehicle in homeopathic manufacturing.
Some Muslims do not want to take this.
This one?
Some Muslims, because of religion, they will not want to take because of religion.
Yeah, actually, what we can do that? What we can do for that? Because if religion comes in a row, then nobody can do anything. But if you talk about, it is not the alcohol which people use as a liquor.
Okay.
This is something else. We use extra neutral alcohol, ENA. ENA means alcohol free from methyl alcohol.
Methyl alcohol.
Yes, free from methyl alcohol. That is known as ENA. So this is one of the best products of MD Omega. We have so many other products. Yes, we have so many other products as well.
This in retail is like how much? You find it everywhere, Bombay?
In Delhi and in Mumbai, within few months you will have all.
It's new.
Yeah, it's new product. And there are some more other products as well, like baby massage oil. As a homeopathic manufacturing company, we are the first homeopathic company in the world who are making massage oil for baby. We are the first homeopathic company right now.
General body massage.
Yeah, for infants, for neonates, for children as well. Because of its composition, it having great effect. It not only tone up the muscles, it also useful for the growth of the baby. If look at this composition, it is Acaranthus aja directa and Ossimum sanctum, Oleum sanctum, and you know olive oil. Yes, all these compositions are disinfectant and having great property for making the skin more glower, for making the skin more toner.
At what months of baby? New baby?
New baby, newborn baby, infants, and children as well. Yeah.
So you just use directly without mixing with them?
No, you don't need to mix with anyone.
Just
Yeah, you have to use directly. Crack and corn. Look at this. This is crack and corn cream. And this is for cracks in the palm and so, and having great action. In most of the cases, in more than 90% of cases, you will have the result within 10 days. Yeah, and this is also having great effect. You can see the result within 10 days. You can see the drop in the level of triglyceride within 10 days. Femovet. This is Femovet syrup, and it is usually effective in the menstrual irregularities, menorrhagia, excessive menstruation, metrorrhagia, irregular menstruation, and dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation.
So eventually have fertility. For women, fertility.
Fertility.
Yes.
this is also effective because there are so many causes of infertility.
Yes.
Na? It may be due to fibroid of the uterus, it may be due to some hormonal condition, it may be due to some inflammation of the uterus, it may be due to some pelvic inflammatory diseases, it may be due to some other factor as well. So many factors are responsible for infertility. Yeah, I'll give you. Let me show some more of my product.
Okay.
Then I'll, at the end of this, I'll definitely give you my card. Certain countries, people have so much amount of junk food. There is gastric ulcer, there is retrosternal burning, there is flatulence, there is dyspepsia, there is distension of abdomen after eating. So many conditions comes in a row, and this is a very good syrup for that. All those conditions related to the stomach. Acne balm.
Yeah, oil.
इसके अंदर है खाली
All your products.
This is not oil. This is syrup.
syrup.
Yeah. Balm is effective in case of coryza, in case of rhinorrhea, discharge from the nose, in case of supraorbital headache, supraorbital neuralgia. If there is pain just above your eyebrow or in the eyebrow, or if there is pain in forehead, it is effective in all cases, especially in acute cases. When the headache occurs due to the coryza, due to the congestion of the face, congestion of the nose, congestion of the eye, it is effective in all those cases because it releases the congestion. It relaxes all the sinuses.
All the sinuses.
Yes, sinus. The frontal sinus, lateral sinus,
So you
ethmoidal
just
sinus.
apply.
Yeah, you have to apply, and you can also take a steam inhalation
With water.
with water. You can put small amount of acne in that hot water.
Has eucalyptus of fruit.
Yeah. I'll give you sample of it.
Okay, menthol.
This is ointment, and this is effective in inflammation of the joints, in joint pain, if there is trauma, if there is injury, where there is no cut.
Where there's no
Injury
cut.
without cut, there is swelling, trauma, pain, in arthritis even.
Yeah.
So you can apply this. Straculia. Straculia is a herb which has been previously used during the Second World War by American soldiers. Because of its having great property, giving energy without intake of food, nutritious food. If you don't have food, if you don't have proper amount of nutrition, if you take Straculia, it will give you energy. And that's why American soldiers were using Straculia during the Second World War. There must be continuity in the war, no? There must be strength in the war, and that's why. So we have used this herb, and this is a beautiful syrup for the weakness, for the trembling inside the body. It also increases the blood pressure. It will give you great amount of strength, both mental as well as physical.
So what age can take this?
Any age, right from child to the old people. So there is no age foundation. Yes, neonates and infant must not be given this Straculia, but if a child is getting weak or if the blood pressure is below normal, in that case you can use it. In spite of taking sufficient amount of nutrition, if the muscle mass is still low, in that case it also.